Yeah.
Yo, sub 30, 29.99. Sorry, 29.97, which is
Oh,
not sub
no.
grand, but very close.
Still not sub-brand?
No, but very close.
Well. Well, very close is very good.
Mm-hmm.
For a second, I forgot how to do F2L.
Well, that's not good. That's kind of the thing you're doing, isn't it?
It is. I think this is PB paste for an F2L.
Nice.
Epic. Why is it every time that I have a big insertion, it's always the hinge piece that's in the wrong orientation?
Hinge piece?
I call it the hinge piece because it's, since there's three pieces to a
Oh, okay.
and the one in the middle is the hinge.
Okay. The terminology that fits with the rest of F2L stuff is the one in the middle is body, and then the one, oh, I guess. No, actually, no, we don't have terminology for that yet. So you could call that hinge. That's cool. You could argue that there's a head, tail, and body, but I think,
Well, there's not really a tail because
Yeah.
they're equal.
yeah. So I think that hinge is a good term. Cool.
Yeah, so far every tri-triple insertion I've had, I've got the two end pieces correctly oriented and the hinge out.
So, you know if it's like a known bug, the thing about like only the first 100 in the playlist? That seems so weird.